Ready to dive into an awesome way to make some extra dough? We've got something really cool to talk to you about today. Selling feet pictures. Yep, you heard that right. We're gonna show you how your beautiful feet can become a cash machine. So let's kick things off and get those dollar signs rolling. Imagine turning something as simple as your feet into cold, hard cash. Selling foot pictures has become all the rage, and for good reason. Today, we're gonna spill the beans on all the juicy benefits that this side hustle has to offer. Get ready to give your bank account a well-deserved boost. Number 1, cha-ching, extra income galore. Who doesn't want some extra moolah? Am I right? Selling feet pictures is your ticket to financial freedom. With platforms like FeetFinder.com, you can showcase your fabulous feet to a wide range of foot aficionados. And trust me, these folks are more than happy to pay top dollar for stunning foot pics. Whether you're saving up for that dream vacation, crushing some debt, or just want some extra pocket money, selling feet pics is where it's at. 2. Freedom and flexibility. Work it your way. No 9 to 5 here, my friends. Selling feet pictures gives you the ultimate flexibility and freedom. You can work from your cozy nook at home or even on a sun-drenched beach. Talk about living the dream. You're the boss, baby. You decide when, where, and how much time you'd like to dedicate to the gig. You want to take a day off? Sure thing. Your feet, your rules. 3. Channel your inner artist. Be footifully creative. Selling feet pictures isn't just about the money. It's a chance to unleash your inner creative genius. Get ready to strike a pose, experiment with different angles, and let your creative side shine. Turn those tootsies into a work of art. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just love to get a little creative, this is your moment to show off your photography skills. 4. Connect, inspire, and empower. It's not just about selling foot pics, folks. It's about building a community. On FeetFinder.com, you'll join a vibrant gang of foot enthusiasts and sellers. Network, share experiences, and lift each other up. Inspire and get inspired by fellow foot entrepreneurs. Together, we can take over the world, one foot picture at a time. 5. Privacy and security. We've got your back. Now, we know that privacy and security are top concerns. And don't worry, FeetFinder.com has your back. They take privacy very seriously, keeping all your information under lock and key. Rest easy knowing your transactions are as safe as Fort Knox. Safety first, my friends. Alrighty, folks, ready to dip your toes into this exciting new adventure and rake in the cash? Selling feet pictures on FeetFinder.com is your golden ticket to financial freedom, flexibility, and a supportive community. So don't wait. Go visit www.feetfinder.com today. It's time to strut your stuff and make those dollar bills rain.